So if you're gonna make a lot of sourdough, I recommend getting a hook, especially if it's gonna be a lot. And then instead of mixing with a little spoon, you have a hook. Like this is pretty big. It can handle a lot. It'll be easier to stir instead of a little metal spoon. And like I've seen in a lot of social medias, like if you're making a little bit, then yeah, you can use one. But if you're gonna be making a lot, especially several loaves, I do recommend something like this. I think I seen on my timeline some hooks being used to stir their sourdough. So if you've seen it, this is basically it. This is how it looks. And yeah, I completely do recommend this. It'll make your life easier, be better to spin, and you can use more force as it is if you are making a lot, compared to just using a regular eating spoon. So yeah, this is just gonna show you up close how it looks. It's really nice. It's very light. It's not like heavy at all. And it's just, let's see. Yeah. So you know how some of them come undone? This one actually sticks, so that's good. But yeah, I do recommend this hook for your sourdough.